Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Den with D2 Destinations, and today I wanted to talk to you about the Ford F-150. It had a recall. They recalled the brake master cylinder, and they had a problem with that. Mine's a 17, but it affected several models, so you may want to check your F-150. If you got one of these notices in the mail from Ford, please go ahead and take your truck in. But I wanted to tell you my experience in getting this completed. I called the dealership, and the person I talked to said, yes, you can bring that in. It's about a 1 or 2 hour job. I said, okay, that's fine. And she said, let me check to make sure the part is in stock. She confirmed they had one in stock, the brake master cylinder. So I went in the next day to drop off my truck, and they let me know that no, it is not a 1 to 2 hour job. It's an all-day job. So they wanted to keep it. This was on a Thursday. I said, okay, go ahead and keep it. Hopefully I'll be able to get it late tonight. And they said, yes, you should be able to get it tonight. I got a call later in the day, and they said, well, it not only affected your brake master cylinder, but it also affected the booster. And we don't have a booster in stock, so we're going to have to order that. So they ordered the booster, and then it came in the following day on a Friday, and then they had to put the booster in as well. So this video is to let you know that when you're talking to Ford to get this recall done, I would make sure, number one, you know it's not a 1 to 2 hour job. Number two, make sure they have the master cylinder and the booster in stock in case your vehicle needs both like mine did. Well, they finally finished all of that up, and now it's working much better, and I shouldn't have any other problems. But I just want to let you guys know, if you have an F-150 recall, they cover the whole thing for the parts and the labor. Doesn't cost you a dime. It is a major safety issue with the brake master cylinder, so go ahead and get that done. But plan on at least 1, maybe 2 days. It's not 1 or 2 hours. There's your tip for today. We'll see you next time on D2 Destinations. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.